guys, since makeup eraser was to be featured in this month's box, I'm going to show y'all exactly how to work one if you don't have one. So, if you remember the little insert, the part with the tag is the exfoliating part, and this is the erase part. You do get this wet. I am going to go ahead and take my makeup off so that y'all can see how it works. One side I'm going to use my makeup eraser, and then for the other side I'm going to use the Pharmacy Green Clean, so you can see for yourself how well the makeup eraser works. So I'm going to take some of the Green Clean and I'm just going to run it down half of my face. This Green Clean is amazing. It just breaks up all of your makeup, makes it so easy to take off. Even Jeffree Star eyeshadows, there is no problem for it. Can you see the makeup coming off? Okay. So as you can see, it is pulling all of my makeup off. But if you've used this product, you already know that it works. So we are going to take our makeup eraser. I'm going to take it on the erase side, which is without the tag. And we're going to see if it does the same thing. Please do keep in mind, I do have lash glue all over my lashes. So if it doesn't take that off, I do forgive it. I'm going to wipe off my neck with this just because it's easier. But all your makeup is now on your makeup eraser. Then you can go in with the tag side, which is the exfoliating side, and go in and get anything that did not come out or did not come off or that you're worried about on your skin. So I'm going to go ahead and take off this other side because I look crazy. But I hadn't seen anybody give y'all a demonstration of using the makeup eraser that was featured in Boxycharm boxes this month. I did not receive one from Boxy this month, but as you can see, I have in the past. Although I'm wanting to say I got mine in a FabFitFun box. And it takes your mascara off. It takes everything. Waterproof mascara, waterproof makeup. It's a good thing to have, and it saves on makeup wipes. Now I know as well as you do that we are people of convenience. So actually using this and washing it, I mean, everybody has a washer. Doesn't take but a few minutes. Do you use it all the time? Probably not. Is it nice to have? Absolutely. And traveling, it's great. So that was my demonstration. As you can see, it did take off 99% of my makeup with only a few swipes and wipes. So that is how the makeup eraser performs. They are $20. This code gives you 20% off. It was Boxy 20. So if you don't have one, go get yourself one and try it out.